I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on.
Too far. Back up. Back up. Yes. Good boy.
Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a...
You record? Alright, push your pedals. Okay? So look, this way. Get your foot. Back up. Hang on, lift your foot. So look, keep your toes. Okay. Max, leave it. Max. Push, go. There you go. There you go. Push, go, go. Push, 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 push. Push with your toes. Now push. Push with your toes. Your toes, baby. Push. Look forward. Look up. Turn. Turn that way. Push, push. There you go. You're doing it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing with your toes. Use your toes. Push, push each side. Are you riding your bike?
Yeah.
Push your toes. Push with your toes. Push. Go. You got it. Can you do it on your own?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it, buddy.
Push with your toes. Go, 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 go. Push, 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 push. Go. Go. Here, let's get you on the sidewalk where it's flatter. All right, let's go here. Look. Woo! Yeah, if you go backwards, it's on the brake. Here. Now let's try it. This is flat. Come here, Max. All right, push through your toes. Okay. You're pushing the video, yeah. Push through your toes. Push through your toes. Go, go, go. Push. Push. Other way. There you go. You're gonna go in the grass. You gotta stay
Yeah.
out. No, it won't. You won't ride your bike in the grass. You got right here. Go. Push. Push your toes. Push your toes. All right, we'll keep it. Keep it. Go. Push with your toes. Other side. Other side. Push. 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 Don't stop. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I wonder if we can loosen up the. Go, go, go. Just put it back on there. You're doing it. Keep going. There you go, buddy. There you go. Keep pushing. Don't break. Keep going. Oh, you want to turn around and go the other way? All right, turn, turn, turn. No, because it's not. You got to stay on the sidewalk. So push, buddy. Push. Pedal. You got to get your bike all the way up there, all right? Pedal.
Oh, left foot, right foot. Let's go.
Go, 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 go. Don't stop, don't stop. Keep pushing. Push, 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 push. Push, push. You got it. Keep those feet moving. Don't stop. Push, push, push. Push. You got it, buddy. You can do it. Go, 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 go. Push. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Get your foot back on. Go, 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 go. Keep going, Max. Good job. Come here. Hey, don't stop recording. Say, Mommy will get it from you. Where are you running to first? Can you show me where you're going to run? Right there. Where are you going first?
Right here.
Right there? All right. All right, cameraman. Thank you. Max, sit. Lay down. Stay. Hey, good boy. You know you're the star of this video? You need help? You got it? Where to? Where are we? Are you going up? Good down, stay. I'm coming. Good doggo. Stay. Is Austin joining us?
Wait, no, I'm gonna get down here.
You want me to do that side?
Hey, this side's nasty, right?
Are they both? What about these? Hang on, wait. How are these?
No, this one right here is okay. Yeah, both of these are okay.
Okay. So which one do you want to do?
Yeah,
Do you want to take the phone with you? Do you want to record going down with the phone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
All right.
Which ones are going now?
Here. There you go.
No.
Yeah, that way they can see your face while you slide down it. Okay, so hold it and slide down. Go the other side. Do it. Go here. Oh no! Ow, my butt. I bounced. That hurt. I'm coming. Here, this is a job for Austin.
You know he hasn't moved.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, that's a job for Austin. He is still. Hey, bud. All right, sit.
Don't let go. Okay, let go. Good job. That's the SE.
You see the mud? Ew. Come on. We don't got much time. You gonna swing? What time is it?
4:40.
Okay. Here you go, Austin. Keep it going. Whee! Max, move. Oh, this makes me so dizzy.
Oh,
Max!
No, Mommy, TV.
It's making me dizzy.
Huh?
You swing. Whoa, close up. Can you Superman it?
No.
I'll swing with you.
Oh, man. Whoa.
You know how low this stuff sounds, sweetie.
Look at that. Y'all are cute. Look at Austin.
I want to try that.
Austin's going to do what you're doing.
It's a bad idea. Is this right? Am I doing it right, Liam?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, look at Liam. Look at. Okay,
I see him. He's a pro. You got to tuck your feet to your butt. You got to put your feet to your butt, Austin. Tell him, Liam, say feet on your butt. Say feet on your butt. He didn't do it right.
Oh, God.
Tell him, say feet on your butt. Can you tell him? Say feet on your butt. You're not gonna say it? Oh, you gonna show me? All right, yeah. Let me see the rear end angle.
Hey, you think you can
Feet
ride the bicycle
on your
back to the
butt.
car?
Can you? Can you ride your bike back to the car?
Huh?
Can you ride your bike back to the car?
Yeah, you can. Come on, let's go.
Okay, make it quick. That's the last one, and then we gotta go. Go to the car real fast. Go do it really quick. Go ahead, really quick, and then we gotta go. Go ahead. Hurry up. Do you want to go ahead and go to the car? What do you want to do? Well, hurry up. Hurry. Can you get on it by yourself?
No.
All right, you ready? Bounce.
I'm not taking it over.
Oh, my butt. This is painful. Why do kids think this is...
I never liked these things.
Here, cameraman. Get this angle. Mommy's too big for this. I don't know how I feel.
This is too much.
Look at me real quick. Overgrown child. All right, hurry up. We gotta go. Make it fast. Drive. Yep, drive. Do your driving. Where are we going? Are you my driver? Uh-huh.
Gas.
Whoa! We gotta get gas. Oh, man!
Okay, here we go.
Oh!
Okay, insert sound effect here.
Max, how is that comfortable, dude? All right, Liam. He asked. Hurry, make it quick. Run through it. You gotta go through the whole thing really fast. Go, 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 go. Hurry, hurry. You got it. You can do it. How fast? Max, up, up. Up, up. Get up there, Max. Up, up. Max, up, up. Find a way. Up, Max. Up. You run back the other way with Max. No, go back the other way. Can you go back that way and I'm going to get Max to do it with you?
Yeah.
All right, Max. All right, get back up there and go the other way. Here, come here. All right, go, Lamb. Up, Max. Go. Up. Up. Max, up.
Oh, you can make it.
Come on, Max, up. Max, up. Oh. Max, up. Dude, there's stairs. Come here, Max. Come here, up. All he had to do was go around. All right, go through, Max. Oh. Max, up. Up. Why? Max, up. Come on, up. All right, Liam, go through. Come on, Max.
What are you doing?
Go, Max. Go through. Yes. Come on, go. Go. Yes. Go. Come on.
Come on, Max.
Go. Come on.
Max.
Go through.
Come on, Max.
Good boy. Yes. Wow. Hey, these shoes that you got me the other day, they make really good slide shoes.
Well, good. Yes.
All right, go through, Liam. Come on, Max. Go through, Liam. Stop jumping so we can walk on it. Go up. Go up. Come on, Max. Over. Go. Yes. Go, Max. Go. Go. Go.
He's so hesitant.
He's doing it, though. Good boy. Whoa.
I don't want that to catch his foot.
The gap's big enough. Good job, Max. Come here. Go down. Down.
Mommy,
All right, buddy. It's time to go. Let's get your bike.
We're late.
We're late, buddy.
Yes, we are.
All right, go quick. Go. Okay, are you done?
Mommy need die. Mommy down.
Okay, come on. Hurry. Next hand, go. Nope. All right, come on. Go get your bike.
This time.
Come on. Go get on your bike. Get your helmet. Max. With me. Ah. Let me buckle you up. Come here. Sit. All right, Lamb. Push it, baby. Push it all the way back to the car. Other way. There you go. That's right.
Cool.
Get your foot on there.
Steer. Keep this going. Keep going.
Come on, Paw Patrol man.
There you go. Keep going.
Come, Max.
No, don't go that way. Go this way. Yeah. Come on. Keep it going. Steer.
Oh.
Come on. Push.
You got it, Liam.
Push. Steer.
Oh. All right, let him go. You got it, Liam. Go. Hold on, Liam. You hold on, Liam. He let go.
Take the wheel.
Jesus, take the
Oh,
wheel.
that was great.
He was just like, okay. He trusted Mom. Look, that was some pure trust. Come on, baby. Push. You got it. All right, what do you want to tell everybody? What do you want to tell everybody? You got to turn. Can you say, I'm learning to ride my bike? Can you tell you're learning to ride your bike?
No.
No. Can you say roll tide? You don't even want to say roll tide. That's like your thing. Come on, this way. Keep pushing. Come this way, Max. We gotta go to the car. Towards the car, come this way. Push it, Liam, push it.
He's ready.
Yeah, I know, all right, come on.
That way.
He doesn't want to go to the car.
Going this way. I give up.
Daddy mode not working out for you.
We're late.
Liam, come. Oh, that's funny. Look at his feet. Liam, shuffle it this way, bud. He's doing the footsie shuffle. Come on, we gotta go. We're late. Come on. Can you say bye? Can you tell everyone bye-bye? Hurry up, get to the car. Go, 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 push. Push, you're doing it, you're doing it. Oh my gosh, push, push. Come on, Max. You're doing it, dude, woo! Good job. Liam, you did it, you learned to ride your bike, buddy. Yeah, oh, straight into Austin.
Good job. How about here? Bam, bam.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Are you being camera shy? Can you get your hands out of your mouth? Can you tell everybody how you learned to ride your bike? You're not? Why not? Did you have fun? You did? Can you tell everybody how much fun you had?
No.
Can you move your hands so I can see your smile?
No.
Please. Look at that face. Look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. Cutie patootie. Cutie. Can you say what's up? No. Can you say have a good day? You don't want to tell everybody have a good day? Can you blow them a kiss? Alright, can you say I rode my bike? Just say it. Say I rode my bike. Do it one time for me. I rode my bike. Can you say bye?
No.
You can't say bye-bye either? Can you say no? Hey, can you say no?
No.
No. Say bye.
No.
Bye.
No.
I'm gonna get you.
No.
I'm gonna get you.
No. No. No.
Say have a good day.
No.
I'm gonna get you.
No.
You ready? You say, tell us, say have a good day. Say have a good day.
No. No. No.
Have a good day. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. You say bye.
No.
No. No. Well, there you have it. Liam, I think, has almost officially learned to ride his bike.
Let's get the training wheels down, Pat.